almost. So first of all, you have to know all the muscles, and the model does come with, if you see the lacrimal gland, see on top, this is the lacrimal gland, this is the levator palpebrae superioris. The muscle right below it's going to be the superior oblique because of the little trochlear causes. Then all the other muscles are following suit. So you start in the anterior, you start with there's a covering on the cornea. You have to know what kind of histology it is. Katie, what is it? Simple squamous. Okay, it's epithelial. Simple squamous covering, that's called the conjunctiva on the cornea, which is the clear area of the white or the sclera. I have to know both names. So the sclera is also the fibrous tunic. Then the red portion is the choroid, which is the vascular tunic, and the salmon color is the retina, which is the neural tunic. If you come back in here, you have a cavity. So from the there's no lens in there. From the lens that was there to the cornea is the anterior cavity with the anterior chamber from the iris to the cornea and the posterior chamber from the lens to the iris. This represents the vitreous humor, which is from the lens back to the retina. Let me take that out. You can see everything in between. Either one. So if we keep this one, the dark purple is going to be the ciliary body, which comes off the ciliary muscles, which comes off of the choroid plexus, the choroid layer. And some of these, you can see these lines, really close lines in here. Those are going to be the suspensory ligaments that attach to the actual lens. You have the blind spot, don't call it that, we call it the what?
Optic disc.
Optic disc. And know what the optic is. It is basically the optic nerve comes in to the actual retina area, and there's no photoreceptors there. If we go slightly lateral to the optic disc, you have an area called the macula lutea. In the center of the macula lutea is called the fovea centralis. Highest concentrations of cones in the eye. The further lateral you get on both sides, or more peripheral, the less cones and the more rods you have. Oh, and of course the canal of Schlemm. That little spot right there.
Where's the serrated?
Where's what?
Or serrated.
Oh, sorry, I can't see it. Where the ciliary body meets the retina, there's a little serrated edge. That's called the ora serrata. So remember that if we're looking at this and I say identify the retina, and then I ask you, the next question is, what does the retina connect to anteriorly? You could say ora serrata, or you could say ciliary body. Okay? All right.
Where the ciliary body is?
The ciliary body is this purple area. This whole purple area that goes around like that, that's the ciliary body connecting to the ciliary muscles. And where that meets the retina is the ora serrata.